Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on the enhanced Google Safe browsing feature on your Android smartphone or on your desktop browsing experience through your Google account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen if you're on your Android smartphone, and then select the settings gear button, and then select your user icon in the top right. If you are on a desktop computer, just select your user icon on the top right and then select the Manage Your Google Account button that will appear underneath of it. And then you want to go over to the Security tab and select it. And then you want to scroll down on the Security tab page until you get to the Enhanced Safe Browsing for your account. More personalized protections against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. Go ahead and select that. And then you just would toggle this on if you want to go to the right side here. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.